Hello, welcome to the Effingham County School District Mobile App, iOS edition. It's important to note that the mobile app does not replace the district or school's websites. Instead, the mobile app pulls information or content from multiple websites and apps into one convenient location. To download the app, please visit the App Store and search for Effingham County Schools. The first time you open the app, you will be prompted to select which school or location you would like to subscribe. Not to worry, you can always make adjustments later in the settings. Once the app is fully open, you will notice there are multiple screens. Simply swipe to the left to view the next screen. On the first screen, you will notice a slideshow will appear at the top of the screen. The content shown here is being pulled from each school's website and social media that you have subscribed to. Click on the graphic to view the full story. We encourage you to explore the app and icons, but we would like to take a moment to talk about a few of them. The news icon pulls in announcement, headlines, calendar events for school or schools you follow, and their social media account or accounts. Click on any of the items to access more information. You can make adjustments to which school you follow by clicking on the settings icon in the upper right corner. To go back to the previous screen, click on the back button located at the top left of the screen. Notifications icon. The district and school can send information similar to what would be sent via Remind, Infinite Campus Messenger, or website alerts. Directory icon. The directory icon will display the phone number of the school, the principal, and their contact information, as well as the school's website. The calendar icon. This allows users to see all events for each school that they have subscribed to, as well as district events. Click on the event for more detailed information. Users can also bookmark events by selecting Add to My Events option. Add the event to your calendar on your device, or even add personal notes. To see which events you have bookmarked within the app, click on My Events. To switch back to all events, click on All Events. The settings icon. Users can adjust which schools they follow as well as setting their default language. The auto-translate feature will only translate content. It will not translate words within images. Again, we encourage you to take a moment to explore the app. And remember, the mobile app does not replace the district or school's website or social media. Instead, the mobile app pulls information and content from multiple websites and apps into one convenient location.